horse semen.
What the fuck? Now I don't feel like eating this.
We'll find. Congratulations, welcome to my vlog. And then we have few people who are busy. Who are so busy. She was there right from Bangalore. Only these people were not there.
You had made a full video out of that.
And we have to go there. I have a YouTube channel. It's just that I'm not editing it.
Put something out there.
Thinking we need some second source, once we lose our jobs.
Start with it, so you'll ask.
Do you want to try this? Should we?
You should get one.
Something weird we see. And we try. So they put egg in this and then they give.
That is sea urchin, right?
Honey lace how does it taste?
It's actually pretty good.
It's actually barbecue sauce.
Very nice.
How is it?
It's good.
It's relaxing, right?
Eat it, it'll be more relaxing.
Potato है.
Chicken.
Sri Lanka. First what?
First
This and all was there, by the way, the restaurant that we went. How's it? Thank you. It's okay, something crunchy and approved.
What about you, Ashika? Only vegetarian in the gang. Does it taste like non-veg?
It does.
Small piece like whichever the smallest you can find.
This is the smallest.
Or simply asking, can we taste it? Instead of this packet.
Taste that's the magic thing. Hey guys, நான் வெளியே சாப்பிட போகிறோம். இதான் நான் ஆர்டர் ஃபுட். மாம்பழம் தான் பார்த்துருக்காங்க.
They are actually buying some.
We can try that.
And this will be good, by the way.
This is sweet though, right?
Yeah.
What are you guys having?
You want this? I'll taste and give you a review. So guys, which one do you order?
Mango.
I thought you would take the banana one. Banana one was good. Mango I never tried it. Yeah. Mango I never tried it. It's the first one. So fast, don't put the stars.
to first try.
Mango pitti. Mango pitti. Mango pitti.
Same banana.
Same banana.
Cashew butter
Banana,
only put.
cashew butter, nothing is there.
Mango Nutella pitti.
Oh no, only mango is there. Like this.
No menu. Mango same pitti. No menu.
Can I give him 5?
Pandal won't work. Just take it with the hacking hand.
Oh my god.
Mango didn't come in my bite, so
अरे स्पून देना चाहिए ना, ये कैसे खाने का है?
wait, this side. How was it?
Banana Nutella, banana
Just mango. Mango set you have to take banana.
Yeah.
एक बनाना है.
Does this have mango bite? No. Last time I took so corner that I didn't even have a mango piece in it.
Was the effort to sort of like there is
No. Mango doesn't go well.
it is going well.
Mango goes well with chocolate.
Mango has that sweetness.
Not with the chocolate, with this I'm talking about.
It is
You
fine.
should have tried banana.
Try this. Take
Try
one.
banana.
We'll take one banana.
आते हैं. We'll come back.
Don't take everything right now.
Yeah.
Come back. Options are there.
For yours.
मेरे लिए भी है रे. इसे पकड़.
This is the third dish that we had, right? Let's go. Go for
Some non-veg.
Isn't it?
வெத்தலையில போட்டு
cái bò có Ấn Độ nha. Còn cái này là của anh Tây.
No, ours is like combined here. And why am I
Take it
carrying
like
this?
this cinematic shot.
Yeah, bro. What is up?
Okay, that girl was cute. Anyways,
There's so many cute girls in Instagram.
so I was like, when I entered the market, everything was white, and I was like, I meant the shop actually.
Tissue இல்லையே
Graphic.
It's a modern tissue.
இதுதான் அவங்களே கொடுக்குறானுங்க இந்த மாதிரி
Sanya.
ஓகே மேங்கோ ஜூஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கு சேம் டேஸ்ட் அதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு பெருசாக ஒன்றும் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் தெரியல
This one was better.
மேபி இந்த சாஸ் நல்லா இருக்கும் சில்லி ஆயில் சாஸ் மாதிரி
Chili oil sauce. இங்கே ஒதுங்கி இருக்குல்ல chili. This one was good.
This beef. Beef. யூஸ் அளவுக்கு ரியாக்ஷன் மூஞ்சில் இருக்கு ஆனால் எக்ஸ்பிரஷனுக்கு அப்புறமா அதான்
I'm just thinking. I'm not giving food reviews. This is just random me.
Sauce.
कैसे खाया तूने?
बस ऐसे.
You like the tail? Spicy.
No.
then remove the tail.
Pinch it off. हाँ बस.
Okay.
Now have it.
कौन सा?
That's no worst to it.
To take the tail.
कैसा लगा?
So good.
Sauce.
It's so good.
Hard है अभी.
हाँ लगने. What are you
मैंने खा
eating?
लिया. मैं I have the taste. I like the taste. छोटा पीस है क्या कुछ?
What is this?
Beef. That is too big. But actually items are actually good.
Over.
eat this here, I've removed from hand only. डाल तो सॉस नहीं वो बीफ लगा है so good
guys.
coconut cake
Coconut cake, madam. Hello, banana cake.
Try like taste.
Hello, madam sir, hello.
नहीं नहीं यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा
Một tí chicken, madam, hello. Hello. Chicken one, pork one, chicken beef one. Hello.
Tender count.
what is this
Ga gồng,
Because there is all these items.
ga gồng, ga gồng, ga gồng.
what do you take
Mango.
All assorted in this.
Only meat, only meat, only meat. Mấy đừng uống, only meat. Bằng luôn đi.
how much you want
I need 10.
I have
Đang làm không bằng được hả? Được mà. Nào không khai gì cũng không.
Mango was it? Yes.
Ok, thằng chị.
Right.
This
First you start with
dedicated to
Shobaram.
sugar.
इतना सा क्यों खरीदे टेस्ट तो कौन करेगा
Why you are eating
You are
this
just
jar?
having peanuts. Have the fruits.
Wait, let's not block this shot. Yeah. You'll block something either way. Just stop us looking.
Coconut cake.
very sweet
Too sweet.
too chewy
Too chewy.
It'll be chewy only.
Not good.
Too chewy. What about you?
Too chewy.
I'm trying to figure out what I ate I'm not sure
Take that full piece in half.
The train la alva uppanala. Tikka avunu.
yes
It's not that sweet, but the texture is almost same.
it is halwa made from fruit
This is the best way to put the bags by the way.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ ಆಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ
You taste it.
लेकिन सब लोग कुछ बोल रहे हैं
देखा था भाई वो घूमना मुझे एक तो चाहिए तेरे लिए सत्य मत
நீங்க சாப்பிட போறீங்க.
record pushkar wearing this glove and eating that
You serve to all of us.
Okay. ये बीच वाला पार्ट भी खाना रहता है क्या? नहीं, that is seed. How you eat the seed?
it's not that smelly
It does not smell.
It does not smell. It's not like that. The smell
it's
once
not
comes to your
smell
mouth.
it's not smelly I think
What is so bad? Your nose is blocked, I guess.
no it's not smelly
Now it's not smelling. That time the smell.
It is not that smelly. Okay, then have a piece.
Have a piece. Come on.
Yes, I will smell like this after I eat. No?
The girl who's yeah.
Big one, big one. Oh, big one. Is it normal? Like, is it like avocado? No taste.
Jackfruit.
Aftertaste is there? Does it stink?
Regretting his life choices.
It's not that bad as people keep saying. No, it's not as bad as people keep saying it is. I think the more bigger you get, the more worst it is. Yeah.
We take some small.
Supposed to people to say that I tasted. Very small piece I get.
Yeah. I don't like it.
I can't have that much.
Okay, the next person is Ebin.
Next person is Evan. Evan, open up. There's some kind of a smoky taste. How?
It's not that bad, no?
Yeah.
Even it's not that bad. Try it, right?
It's different, but it doesn't taste sweet. It's not like a fruit.
It's not bad, no?
See?
Okay, Rohit will have this.
What is it? Wait, I'll smell it once. I'm ready.
Smoky taste. No different. Sweet color.
Taste is not bad.
It's not sweet, neither bitter. It has some kind of smoky.
Okay, mentally if you think it's bad and you eat it, something is trying to do your brain, but overall it's fine. It is fine only, man.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Give me a small piece only.
I don't know how to separate this out completely.
Wait, this is separated.
Wait.
No, please, not that big. Please.
अरे वो seed निकालने देना properly. Okay, fine, whatever.
छोटा piece दे.
ये ठीक है. This much.
Jessica, you also try.
You tried this.
You first try.
ठीक है, चावल इसमें
Not
mix
that
कर.
bad.
Hi.
ऐसा ही है.
ये ऐसा ही है. Not that bad. It's like this only. Okay.
But taste it is not that bad.
Okay. Okay, you're done. Don't think it's bad. Just like casually eat it. It's not that bad.
That's like I also have the similar
Happy?
piece only.
You tasted to like jack. Yeah. It's like an intense jackfruit.
Intense jackfruit.
Yeah, jackfruit intense version.
Like a garlic plus mango.
Mango की याद आ गई.
You all tried it. It's fine. Yashika, I can have
I
it.
have
Everybody had it.
garlic plus mango है ये.
Everybody had it.
It's good.
Yashika, garlic plus mango.
I'm already getting nauseous. I don't want.
Garlic plus mango.
Should we throw the rest away? Getting some exclusive content. Arun's already there on the scene.
Go like this. We need that girl. I also never tasted.
Yeah, this is the first time. Chalo, pick one. Cheers. Wait. Cheers.
If I think too much, I won't eat.
It's hard to again. Okay. Cheers, boys. Cheers.
Chicken is so good. And octopus?
Like calamari.
Very chewy.
Squid.
Chewing them feel. There's no.
No snake is left, no? When you are on the list.